Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Decor Styles. Hope you are doing well, guys. Friends, do you want to make your home look more expensive and luxurious without breaking the bank? Do you want to impress your guests and potential buyers with your stunning interior design? If yes, then this video is just for you. In this video, I will show you some sneaky tricks to make your living room look expensive, elegant, and sophisticated. All you need is some creativity and enthusiasm. You will learn how to rearrange the furniture. This is one of the easiest and cheapest way to give your home a new look and feel. You can experiment with different layouts, angles, and positions of your sofas, chairs, tables, and cabinets. You can also swap furniture from one room to another for a change of scenery. Number two is create a focal point. A focal point is an element that draws attention and sets the tone for the rest of the room. You can create a focal point by using a bold color, a striking wallpaper, a large artwork, or a unique lighting fixture. For example, you can make the TV wall the focal point of your living room by adding some wooden panels, glass shelves, and framed photos. The next is change your upholstery. Upholstery is the fabric that covers your furniture, cushions, and curtains. Changing the upholstery can make a big difference in the appearance and comfort of your home. You can choose fabrics that match your style, theme, and season. For example, you can use cotton or linen fabrics for summer and velvet or wool fabrics for winter. The next is create a green wall. You should create a green wall because a green wall is a wall that is covered with plants, either in pots or in vertical panels. A green wall can add some freshness, color, and life to your home. It can also purify the air, reduce noise, and lower the temperature. Next is buy new curtains. Curtains are not only functional but also decorative. They can enhance the mood, privacy, and lighting of your home. Next is paint the furniture. Painting the furniture is another way to update your home without spending too much money. You can also use some stencils and stickers to add some designs. And the next is add some ottomans. Ottomans are versatile pieces of furniture that can serve as seats, tables, or storage units. They can also add some color, comfort, and style to your home. These tricks are easy, affordable, and effective. They will transform your living room from bland and boring to chic, classy, and more expensive. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to make your home look expensive and luxurious. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this one. Thanks for watching.